Welcome to Netrality's purpose-built interconnection data center, bringing cutting-edge colocation and wholesale data center space to the Kansas City metro region. KC2-7801 Nieman Road in Shawnee, Kansas, is designed to power your business growth with sustainable, high-performance infrastructure built for next-gen applications like AI, machine learning, and high-density compute. This energy-efficient data center offers scalability that's ready for your evolving digital needs. With 5 multi-megawatt data halls, customers can choose from single cabinets to fully customizable data halls. Our award-winning Delta Cube cooling technology can air cool up to 50 kilowatts per cabinet with a sustainable zero-water waste system. By removing heat right at the server level, it dynamically adapts to fluctuations in IT loads while efficiently consuming power. Your operations deserve uninterrupted performance. That's why we provide 10 megawatts of critical power and N+1 redundancy on critical systems, all backed by service-level agreements and reliable backup power for industry-leading uptime you can trust. When connectivity is key, KC2 delivers. Strategically linked by dark fiber to Netrality's 1102 Grand, Kansas City's premier interconnection hub, KC2 delivers sub-1 millisecond round-trip latency for seamless active-active replication. Customers gain instant access to over 120 network providers, peering exchanges, and top cloud platforms like AWS and Google, all with multiple points of entry for resilient, reliable connectivity. By co-locating latency-sensitive IT applications and high-density compute at KC2, businesses can ensure ultra-low latency, maximum network availability, and seamless continuity for mission-critical workloads. Safety and security are our top priorities. KC2 features multi-factor authentication, including biometric facial recognition, on-site engineering and security personnel, and comprehensive video surveillance. Customers also have the flexibility to tailor additional security layers to meet their specific IT protection requirements. We've engineered every aspect of KC2 to serve as a true extension of your business environment. With secure on-site parking and loading docks, everything is designed with operational ease in mind. A dedicated burn-in room allows customers to configure hardware before entering the data hall. On-site office space, conference rooms, and a customer lounge provide a comfortable environment for working teams. Whether you are expanding in the Kansas City metro region or deploying a central U.S. footprint, KC2 is built for businesses that demand reliability and scalability, supporting edge, colocation, and wholesale deployments. This isn't just a data center. It's where high performance meets sustainable forward-thinking design. See how Netrality's KC2 can power the growth of your business.